Hey Internet, I'm Marcel and I'm here for Roarockit Skateboard Company. We're going to talk to you today about a brand new product we've got. We have come up with a tempered stainless steel design for our RockitRulers. This allows us a couple things. One is we can produce this one in-house, and it allows us a lot more flexibility to match your shapes. The previous one that we had was a plastic ruler, which was great for its flexibility, but it never made quite a good straight edge, which is what the ruler is really all about. So with this tempered stainless steel, you've got both flexibility and strength properties. So I'm going to show you guys how to use this ruler. I've got with me a pressed blank right here, and we need to do a couple things. One is it needs a center line introduced, and the second is that it needs its truck holes placed. So let's get to it. With my street deck here, I'm going to use my new school rocket ruler to find the center line to start off with. All of our rocket rulers have this 12-inch center finder, which zeroes out at the middle, which you can use to visually find your center line. So this board looks like it is about 10.5 inches, and so we are going to go with the 5 1/4 mark. My pencil, I can mark down at the line here. The 13.5 inch mark is right in the middle, like that. Because we will be doing a line of best fit, we want to measure as many times as possible, as this will give us the most accurate center line. The more measure points you make, the more accurate your line is, the better your board will be. So I've got 5 points measured out. You can keep going. Again, the more you do, the better your line is. So let's measure these out. Best fit our lines. I've got my ruler down. I'm going to mark my center line. Great. And so we've got our center line marked out. And now we just need to register our tracks. So with that, we can use the track placement template at our zeroed end here on the ruler. So I will place my first set where I know I want them to be. Personally, I prefer to set my base plates about 1 inch from the kick. I will mark my 4 holes. I know that my wheelbase is going to be about 17.5 inch wheelbase, so I can go all the way to that point on the ruler along here and mark off my first set of holes. And then to mark the street deck holes, you need to count a width of 5 holes. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's where I will place my second set of holes. And there we go. I've got both my base plates marked off, and my center line is set. So my board is ready to have a shape applied, and I can chop that out and drill the holes, and our board is good to go. So that's how you use our rocket ruler. One thing I didn't go over is that you might only have one ruler, but you might want to build a board for the other style. Say a longboard, and all you've got is the new school ruler. We have included a 6-hole base plate pattern on the zeroed end, so that once you have registered your first set with the alternate set of holes, you can then flip the ruler, line it back up with your center line, right, and mark the 6-hole pattern, or just the outside 4 holes for your set of longboard trucks or old school trucks. So that is the brand new stainless steel rocket ruler. We hope you guys really enjoy these. We like using these a lot around the shop. If you have any questions about them, please give us a call or find us online. If you wish to purchase one of these, hit us up at Roarockit.com. Thanks guys, see you next time.